Hey entrepreneurs, hey everybody, welcome to Journey of Entrepreneurship. Do you know that every single businessman and entrepreneur has 3 bank accounts? Let me explain you, and I will give you the benefits from it and how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, have 3 bank accounts is easy to have. Why? Because there's no limit of how many bank accounts you could have. Second, liability protection. And third, and this is for citizens of the United States, if you're a citizen of the United States and you have money overseas on a different country, you need to report it to the United States. Why? Because you could get highly fines of double of the money that you have in the bank account, even jail or tax evasion problems. So having warned you, why do you still want to have a travel checking account or bank account? I will explain you why. So let's get started with your first bank account, and that is your personal bank account. Then you have the second, and that is your business bank account. First of all, to keep your personal expenses from the business expenses. Also, keep safe your credit history and protect you from being liable or being sued if the business gets sued. Second, the business gets sued and having a business bank account will protect you from being sued yourself. But you have to be an LLC or corporation. However, you could still protect yourself with having separate checking accounts. Then we have the travel account, and this one is for identity theft and hacking. I do that because I'm a celebrity. I have 100 followers and 1,000 followers on Henlein, and I need to protect myself from identity theft and hackers. However, you need to understand something very important, and that is Henlein is a business and I'm an employee of Henlein. So Henlein pays me to work for them, and I pay the company to keep them running. Right now we are an emerging business, we are in a startup, so if you want to support us, go to Indiegogo and purchase a Henlein Arctic White or Obsidian Black. We have 8 hours of playtime, 52 hours of power capacity, and the latest audio technology, graphene. So continuing, once you have these 2 accounts, you could get a travel bank account. I use RMLT because they give you a flag of the country you were from. I'm used to be from Colombia, but I moved to the United States because of family reasons. Then I do it in this order. I got first a personal bank account. I got used to it, to the app on my phone. I got used to it to get a credit card for building my personal credit. Then I find something that I like and I started a business. So I got a business bank account. Once I got my business bank account, I use it to send C capital, which is money from myself, to the bank of my business bank account to open it and apply for a credit card for the business to build the business credit. Business credit is way different than your personal credit, and I recommend you, if you are a sole proprietor, you are a freelancer, or you are a consultant, to open a business bank account. Then we have the travel account. I open it with RMLT and Passbook. Passbook doesn't charge you fees from withdrawing money from other countries. They don't ask you to have money on the account. You could keep it open, just use it and transfer some money. You don't have to transfer a lot of money. You could transfer there like your savings for traveling. For example, you want to travel to Colombia, to my birthplace country. You need to place the airplane tickets price. You can place there the money that you're gonna spend there for souvenirs, for eating out, for going out, and the money if you're gonna use it for business as well. If you want to have photo shoots or you want to make a video there and you need a photographer, you need an audiographer, and you need a model, you could pay them with your travel debit card. Why? Because of the travel debit card. Very simple, because that will keep your business assets safe and your personal account safe. That's why I have 3 bank accounts, and anybody could get started. Just get first a personal bank account, then find something that you like. If you start to make videos, you could apply immediately for a business bank account. And the third one is the travel card. You could get it at any moment. I recommend Remelty because of that, and is something that will keep you safe from any identity theft, any spies, any someone to want to harm you, you know. This is something that I highly recommend for every single entrepreneur out there, and you can do it. Nothing stop you. Keep going. There's no time to settle. That's it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll be seeing you on the next one.